Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by ensuring Sticky Notes is available and ready. Sign into your Microsoft account so syncing works across machines. Once done, open the app from Start or the taskbar and create a new note immediately. Click the plus icon or press Ctrl+N to start. This first action gets content captured fast. Make sure to name or color code a note if you plan to group tasks. These steps prevent lost notes and enable quick organization before you add details or pins. Now focus on structure. Assign colors to related notes so you can scan priorities at a glance, and use text formatting for emphasis. Bold for deadlines, italics for context, because visual cues speed recall. Once done, resize and drag notes to arrange them near relevant apps or documents. Pin important notes to stay on top when needed. Make sure to combine short headlines with one-line details inside each note. This keeps information scannable and reduces clutter while you work across apps. Finish by enabling sync so your notes back up automatically. This ensures you can recover content on another PC. Once synced, copy critical notes into OneNote or a plain text file for version tracking or export. If things go wrong, notes disappearing or not syncing, sign out and back in, check for pending Windows updates, or reset the Sticky Notes app in settings. That usually restores functionality without data loss. Finally, test a sync cycle to confirm everything is stable before relying on it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.